Make sure you like for part 3 to see who won the mac and cheese competition and what else happened in culinary class
We
today.
had 2 questions that wanted to be asked. One of them was how long I was on Hell's Kitchen. Right?
What was your experience on Hell's Kitchen and how was Gordon Ramsay?
Okay, so my experience on Hell's Kitchen was phenomenal. Actually, it was a mental game. So you're gonna get your points knocked off using that knocking that skill like we at the house. Okay, so being on Hell's Kitchen was awesome. Actually, I was on season 11. My season was one of the most undefeated girls team to win the most challenges. So we were able to like go out with Gordon Ramsay and see him outside of the kitchen and go on yachts and excursions and wineries.